Dare to Care, in partnership with GE Appliances, is providing free cold storage to local food pantries as the need for food assistance continues to rise. WLKY's Addie Miners explains how the initiative is already making a difference.
Inside of this room at the Floyd County Library, more than 200 people a week come to get food.
We're serving an area here that is in need of access to healthy food and supplemental nutrition.
Aaron Williams, the Assistant Director of Operations for the Floyd County Library, says the amount of people they serve has grown over the past several years, but especially over the past several months.
About a week ago, we received a donation of 700 pounds of frozen chicken, and we had to get creative with how we stored that throughout the library. But today's freezer is going to increase our storage capacity and help us keep all of that in a centralized location that's easy to access for our staff.
When Dare to Care heard about the library's need, they reached out to GE Appliances for help. And on Thursday, GE Appliances delivered them a brand new refrigerator. Well, the partnership with GE Appliances and Dare to Care isn't new. This initiative is, and allows partners of Dare to Care to apply for additional cold storage that they may need.
This partnership is really critical because now our neighbors have access to a much more rounded meal.
According to Vincent James, the CEO of Dare to Care, refrigeration is one of the biggest barriers food pantries face when it comes to providing fresh produce, meat, and dairy. And having additional capacity, James says, is even more critical right now, with the fate of SNAP benefits still in limbo.
We've seen what we believe is a precursor this past November as to what's going to happen when all of the requirements and the changes in the policy, all those kinds of things are going to be executed. We're going to see a greater need.
While nothing is certain yet, James says they want to be prepared, and this new initiative is one way to do so.
It's great. We appreciate the generosity.
In Floyd County, I'm Addie Miners, WLKY News.